Good day everyone, I'm Teacher TINZ and welcome to my YouTube channel. Our next topic is all about circular permutations. The number of permutation of n distinct objects arranged in a circle is P is equal to the quantity of n minus 1 factorial. That is the formula for circular permutation. P is equal to the quantity of n minus 1 factorial. Let's have example number 1. In how many ways can 6 girls be seated at a round table? So here we have the clue word, which is round table. Therefore, this problem involves circular permutation. First is we're going to determine the value of n. The value of n is 6 because there are 6 girls and they will be seated at a round table. And the formula for circular permutation is P is equal to the quantity of n minus 1 factorial. We're going to substitute the value of n. So we have P is equal to the quantity of 6 minus 1 factorial. And then simplify, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So P now is equal to 5 factorial. And then next is we're going to determine the value of 5 factorial. 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And the product is 120. So therefore, there are 120 ways can the girls be seated at the round table. Next example number 2. How many ways can 5 boys and 5 girls be seated at the round table if there is no restrictions? So first is we're going to determine the value of n. Since we have 5 boys and 5 girls, therefore the value of n is 10. And since there is no restriction, so we can use the formula P is equal to the quantity of n minus 1 factorial. And then substitute the value of n. So we have P is equal to the quantity of 10 minus 1 factorial. And 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So we're going to determine now the value of 9 factorial. So we have P is equal to 362,880 ways. Let's have now example number 3. How many ways can 5 boys and 5 girls be seated at the round table if the girls and boys are to occupy alternate seats? So that is the condition. The girls and boys must occupy alternate seats. So here, we have the permutation, or P is equal to the quantity of 5 minus 1 factorial times 5 factorial. So here, the first factor, which is 5 minus 1 factorial, that is for boys. And the other one, 5 factorial, is for girls. And then simplify, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So that is 4 factorial times 5 factorial. And the value of 4 factorial is equal to 24. And the value of 5 factorial is equal to 120. And then multiply 24 by 120, so P is equal to 2,880. For example number 4, how many ways can 5 boys and 5 girls be seated at a round table if 3 particular girls must sit together? So that is the condition. 3 particular girls must sit together. So first is we're going to list. We have here 5 seats for boys, 2 seats for girls. So since we have 5 girls and then the condition is 3 particular girls must sit together, so that is for one group seat. So these will be the 3 girls. And then the other 2 girls, so we have here. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 5 girls and 5 boys. And then we're going to count now. So we have 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. So the value of n is 8. And we have the permutation, or P is equal to the quantity of 8 minus 1 factorial times 3 factorial. So 3 factorial here, that is the 3 girls wherein they must sit together. And then simplify 8 minus 1 factorial is equal to 7 factorial, and then times 3 factorial. And then simplify, the value of 7 factorial is 5040, and the value of 3 factorial is 6. So 5040 times 6 is equal to 30,240. So therefore, P is equal to 30,240 ways. For example, number 5, how many ways can 5 boys and 5 girls be seated at a round table if 3 particular girls refuse to sit beside each other? Okay, so first is, we have here the permutation, or P is equal to the quantity of 10 minus 1 factorial. So this 10, that is 5 boys and 5 girls. So we have 10 and then minus 1, because that the given problem involves circular permutation. And then we have here, the condition is 3 particular girls refuse to sit beside each other. Since 10 minus 1 factorial, that is the total number of ways wherein 5 boys and 5 girls be seated at a round table wherein there is no restriction. And then we're going to subtract the quantity of 8 minus 1 factorial times 3 factorial. So that is the permutation wherein 3 girls must sit together. So we will subtract it from 10 minus 1 factorial. And then simplify. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So we have 9 factorial, and then minus 8 minus 1 is 7. And then times 3. So 9 factorial minus 7 factorial times 3 factorial. And then next is, we're going to simplify. 9 factorial is equal to 362,880 minus 7 factorial times 3 factorial is equal to 30,240. So 362,880 minus 30,240 is equal to 332,640 ways. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.